I wanted to take a little bit of time to stress the importance of cleaning out your gutter system. When you first buy a home, the last thing you typically think about is the exterior of the home. But I'm going to put a little bit of emphasis on this because gutter flow and water flow is so important to you as a homeowner. As rain comes down the roof and enters into the gutter system, what happens is water gets into the gutter, goes down to the downspout, and then off and away from the foundation of the roof. The reason we have gutters on the house is to prevent water from just draining wherever it wants. We want to take control of it. The problem is with a clogged gutter like this one here, it clogs the gutter system, so the only place for the water to go would be to spill over or go back inside and underneath the shingles or into your soffit and fascia. So it's very important to clean off your roof, clean out your gutter system to make sure that your exterior of your home and your exterior gutter system is functioning properly.